How to change domain name on Namecheap. Hey guys, welcome to a Namecheap tutorial in which I will show you how you can change your domain name. Changing your domain name is a way to rebrand your website, and I'll show you step by step whether you're launching a new project or giving your website a fresh look. This is the easiest way to do so. So let's get into it. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to namecheap.com and you will land on this platform right here. Namecheap is a website hosting platform that allows you to host your website. It gives you the domains, it has e-marketing tools, security, and much more. So you can go ahead and check it out right now. If you do not have an account on Namecheap, you can create a new account by using your email address. So once you have an account on Namecheap, you will get right here. This is our dashboard. Now on your dashboard, you will find a bunch of options here. You have domains, hosting, WordPress, email, marketing tools, security, transfer to us, and more. So in order to change your domain name, you'll simply go to domains here. And the first step is searching for a new domain name. Now, keep in mind that domain is the identity of our website, so you need to be sure before changing your domain name or if you want to get a new one. So here you can get some of the examples. On Namecheap, you'll be able to find a lot of different domain names and they're not very expensive. So for that, I'm going to simply go ahead and search for a new domain name here, and we can buy a new domain first. So for that, we are going to be buying for maybe Demure Clothing. That's our clothing brand. So I'm just going to search for Demure Clothing here, and then it will give me some of the options. I'm just going to hit search, and now you will see that Namecheap will give me the domains. There you go. You can see we have the premium one, which is the .com, and it's a bit expensive here. Then we have the .clothing, .fashion, and we have some of the ops as well. Then it's giving me some of the more options. For example, this one, demureclothing.it.com. So if I want to go with this one, XYZ, me, Tech, Inc., Live is, and some of the others. One of them is taken, then you'll get an offer. You can make an offer here. So what I need to do is I need to buy the domain first. So let's say that I want to buy maybe this one, which is the demureclothing.info, because I think this one is cheap and this one looks good. So I'm going to click on add to cart. Buying a domain on Namecheap is really easy. So once you buy the domain, now the second step is going to be selecting your hosting platform where you will be connecting it. So if you want to add a hosting here, you can. For example, we have WordPress. Now I already have the WordPress hosting with Namecheap, so I'm not going to do that. And we can simply just go ahead and click on checkout. Once you hit checkout, now you will be able to buy the domain. You will get all the information here about the domain name that you are buying. So this is my new domain name. Now the question is how to change the old one. It's very easy. You will simply go to the website or the platform that you already have the domain on. For example, if you are using Shopify and you wanted to change the domain on Shopify, you will buy the domain from Namecheap and then simply follow the process for the Shopify domain change. So for example, I'll do it on WordPress. For that, I'm going to click on manage, and it will take me to manage my website. And here I'll be able to find my domain. There you go. You can see it says domain. I'm going to click on change. And now you can see it says my WordPress is right here, your domain on Namecheap. You can see right here. I'm going to select this one. Now here, it says that there is no domain registered right now. So that's what we do here. We will buy it, click on apply, and buy the domain. After that, you simply copy and paste your domain here on your platform. Now, again, it can be WordPress, it can be Shopify, it can be any other platform that you already have the domain on. So we also have the domain on another provider option. Now, this is also a platform. For example, you don't host your WordPress with Namecheap, then you might wonder how to do that. So you will follow this step, which is right here. You type in your domain. This is where you will type in. So let's say that it's from another provider, and I will type in here, let's say info. So let's say this is my new domain here, and we can actually add with www. And then similarly point your domain to EasyWP. Now I will have to point my domain to this platform here, the hosting that I'm doing with Namecheap. Then we have check domain if it's confirmed, and you will be able to, it might take up to 24 hours, but then you'll be able to convert it. So just click on check domain and click on change. Once you click on check and change, your domain name actually will be changed. So it's actually really easy to get a new domain from Namecheap and then change it to any other domain name. Similarly, if you have a website created with Namecheap, so for example, this is a blog that I created with Namecheap, and I want to change the domain name for this one. So similarly, we have the manage option for these two. So for example, I'm going to simply take you to my website. Here, editor, we have analytics. So here you can see we have our URL. So I'm going to click on edit URL, and I can change the URL, or this is actually just simple link for the page or the website, and we can change it here. If you have published the website, then you can change the domain here actually. So this is, you will also have to keep in mind. Similarly, you want to check out the domain transfer. You will go to domains, click on domain transfers. Now this time we can easily transfer the domains, get more from your move. What happens here is that you will be able to change your domain, and with Namecheap you get different options, such as there is no time loss, that you will have to experience no downtime when you transfer your site or any other thing. So here you will have to follow the 3 steps. We have complete your check, we have prepare it for transfer, and submit your domain. What happens with this one is that again, you will actually go ahead and buy a new domain here. So as I told you before, enter the domain name you want to transfer. So for example, I want to transfer again the same domain name that I already have, and I'm going to go with this one that we have for our WordPress. So we're going to just simply go ahead and copy this from here, and I'm going to add it here. Let's say that I want to change and transfer. So I'm going to paste, and we're going to click on transfer. So now it will allow me to proceed for transferring my domain. So there are different types of criteria that you have to actually meet for transferring your domain from Namecheap to other platform too. So transferring is different than changing. Keep that in mind, because in transferring, you're just taking your domain that you already have to another platform, but changing means to get a new domain, and that I showed you from here. You will also be getting different deals and popular domain names here. For every possible domain you want, you can search it here on Namecheap and it will be available. If we talk about the pricing and the affordability of the domain names, so let's go ahead and let me actually walk you through that as well. So I'm gonna just simply check this, maybe this one. So we're gonna click on search, and let me show you when you will be changing your domain name, what you can get on Namecheap. So for example, we have the .com, clothing, fashion, net, and AI. These are some of the expensive ones, I believe, because .com is the premium one, and that one is actually a lot. It's going to be like 2,000. It's going to be 2,000 here. If you want to buy this one, you can. You can also go down to get some cheaper ones, for example, .art, .cloud. And then we have very cheap ones, for example, .inc or .svs. So you will buy the domain name from here, and buying is very easy, as I told you before. Click on add to cart and you will be able to buy the domain name. Once you have bought it, then you will simply open up your platform and you will go to your settings of that platform. For example, if it's WordPress, Shopify, and you will simply paste your domain name to change it and to transfer it. So this is how you will simply change your domain name on Namecheap, and this is how you will change your domain name with Namecheap. I hope this video was a big help to you. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.